It's a very dull day today, but I'm not talking about the markets, I'm talking about the weather. The weather here is very dull in Mumbai, but definitely the same is not being reflected in the markets. If you look at the markets, good move coming in for the benchmark as well as the broader markets. Nifty is above the 11,400 levels. Your broader markets outperforming benchmark indices once again. Fifth day of gains coming in for the mid cap as well as the small cap index. But I'm here to take you through all the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. And first up, let me talk about two new entrants into the Nifty index, and that is Divi's Laboratories as well as SBI Life. So on September 25th onwards, you will have a new look to the Nifty with the inclusions of these two stocks, Divi's Laboratories as well as SBI Life. They will be replacing Zee Entertainment as well as Bharti Infratel. With Divi's introduction into the Nifty, it will be the fourth pharma company after Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's as well as Cipla. Talking about SBI Life, it will be following HDFC Life into the benchmark. If you talk about Divi's performance, in the last 52 weeks, it's gained over 100%. In the last 30 days itself, 42% is the gains coming in for Divi's Laboratories. Today, the stock is gaining for fifth day in a row and is perched at a record high level. Meanwhile, SBI Life has gained for 4 out of 5 trading sessions. So good moves coming in for both these counters. Next up, I'm going to talk about GMM Pfaudler. The stock surged over 8% intraday on the news that it is going to acquire a controlling stake in the parent group. The company will acquire 54% stake in the global business of Pfaudler Group, which will be for a total consideration of about $27.4 million. The company will acquire 34.4% stake by itself and 19.6% stake through its wholly owned subsidiary, Mavag AG. If you see the acquisition, it is likely to be completed in the next 4 to 5 months. The stock has actually surged over 340% in the last 52 weeks and has gained over 54% in the last 30 days itself. Today also seeing a good move. Next up is Indian Overseas Bank. Fifth day of gains coming in for IOB, and this is on back of their Q1 earnings. They posted a profit versus a loss on a YOY basis. The provisions were lower on a year-on-year as well as at a quarter-on-quarter level. It stood at around 969 crore rupees. Let me talk about the asset quality. Gross NPA came in at around 13.9% versus 14.78% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Net NPA also came in at around 5.1% versus 5.44% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Next up is your glass companies. They are soaring in trade. You have Asahi Glass that's gained most in over 11 years. You have Hydro Glass, which is up over 4%. You have Hind National Glass that is up over 3%, and this because the Directorate General of Trade Remedies, or the DGTR, has recommended an imposition of anti-dumping duty on clear float glass from Malaysia. NTPC, the PSU power company, is up for a second straight session, up over 4% today after a 6% rise that it saw in yesterday's trading session. NTPC has informed the exchanges that it will incorporate NTPC renewable energy business after concurrence from the government agencies. New kid on the block, that is Max Healthcare Institute. Post the demerger scheme, Max Health listed on the bourses today. On the BSE, it listed at 107 rupees per share, up 5%. Abhay Soy of Max Healthcare Institute spoke to ET Now, and he said that there's a lot of opportunity. He sees a lot more opportunity, consolidation opportunities in the healthcare space in India. And he also said that the digital will have to be at the core of the healthcare business. Moving on, Aztec Life, the stock gains for a fifth straight session. It's at record high levels. The organic chemical manufacturer informed the exchanges that despite the COVID-19 difficulties and the challenges, has been able to post a good and strong performance in Q4 FY20 as well as in Q1 FY21. The company also said that they expect the impact of COVID-19 on agriculture sector to be lower than expected and lower than other sectors, I beg your pardon. And the agriculture sector is expected to recover faster once the economic activity picks up. In the last 52 weeks, Aztec Life Sciences has actually soared over 260% and is up 38% in the last 5 days. So these are the list of stocks that are buzzing in trade so far. A good day of trade coming in for the market.